So, the first lyrics, I've been reading books of old, the legends and the myths. So, Achilles and his gold, Hercules and his gift, Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fist. And clearly, I don't see myself even the least. Okay, so want to translate first, Mr. Richard, maybe?
Okay, for the first verse, it means like he has read a lot of book. Oh, in Indonesia. Okay. Dia sudah membaca banyak buku-buku tua, legenda dan mitosnya, seperti Achilles dan emasnya, Hercules dan pemberiannya.
It's mean power.
Ya. Dan Spider-Man, kontrol dari Spider-Man, seperti melepaskan jaring, dan Batman dengan tinjunya yang sangat kuat. Dan jelas dia tidak melihat dirinya pada daftar itu karena dia hanya manusia biasa.
Yes, he's not a superhero, right? So, Mr. Isan, maybe you can find what's the meaning and how to say the value that we can find in this first verse.
Okay. All right. In this song, tell us about a man who feels worry about his shortcoming or his weaknesses. But in my point of view, everyone, as I said in the first, I coming here, and everyone has own uniqueness. It means that everyone has strength and weaknesses.
Yes.
So guys, focus on your strength. Don't worry about your weaknesses.
Okay. So, do you ever, before dreaming, someday to be a superhero?
Yeah.
Like the child in this MV, in this music video of this song. Like like a children, like a boy inside this video.
Yeah. And then like Batman with his spears, seorang Batman yang memiliki tinju yang super power. But we have to realize then we are ordinary men.
Yes. We are not a superhero.
We are not a superhero, and we gotta be ourselves.
Well, move to Aswin. We'll move to the second verse.
The same question.
Yes, please translate the word, the sentence in the song. But she said, "Where did you want to go?"
Okay.
So she,
But she said, "Where you wanna go?" Means, tapi dia berkata, kemana kamu ingin pergi? How much you wanna risk? Sebesar apa risiko yang kamu ambil? I'm not looking for somebody. Aku tidak mencari seseorang. With some superhuman gifts, dengan kekuatan super. Some superhero, pahlawan super. Some fairy tale bliss, kebahagiaan dongeng. Just something I can turn to. Cukup sesuatu yang aku bisa berpaling padanya. Somebody I can kiss, seseorang yang bisa I kiss.
So the word she in this sentence, but she said, "Where did you want to go?" It back to who?
This girlfriend.
His crush maybe.
His girlfriend. Okay. So the man wants to be a superhero, superpower, not an ordinary man. But his girlfriend said, "I don't need anybody else, right?
Yeah.
I don't need anybody else. I don't need a fairy tale bliss, a superhero with a superpower, and just something I yeah, just something like this, yeah, like you. Oh. So, Achang, do you ever imagine that yourself, or imagine being another person,
Yeah.
being someone that maybe you adore, or maybe your favorite actress, your favorite person that you really adore him or her, and you want to be like him.
Yeah, sometimes I'm really want when I child, I'm really want become as a superhero. Some with this song, and yeah, it's very cool because yeah, sometimes the people what I want to want actually I wanna pengakuan for the several people like because I am cool or I am very very cool. That is why I'm really hope I can become as a superhero itself because yeah, I think it's very cool the moment we can help from the each other. For example, yeah, it's very good. But when I grow up, when I young, yeah, exactly, I'm realize about my life. Sometimes I'm I am sometimes I am like insecure for my life, like why I have to born in here, and yeah, it's very very bad for in our journey, for example. And I think that's I think that we have to know that if we want gain about anything, we have to get a lot of experience. For example, even if it is pain, even if we have a lot of problem, I think it's very important we have to getting a good environment. For example, this way we can realize in our life, and also yeah, sometimes we have to grateful what the God already giving to us. I think that's all.
So, move to recharge.
Well, in the past, I wish I can be a Spider-Man one day. Like I can jump from another building to other building. But after I grow up, I realized that it's just a fiction. You cannot be like that. He's an air, and then he got the power after the spider hit him. So I think it's just a fiction or a comic. I mean, a comic story. You cannot be like that. You need
Just
to be
a fairy tale, right?
Yeah, it's a fairy tale. You need to be realistic. Yeah, because this is what it is. So don't be insecure for what you have. Like if you good at public speaking, just do it for yourself. Like improving your speaking every day. Don't focus on your weakness, as Bro Iksan say. So we need to focus on our goals. Yeah, don't be insecure whatever people say. Okay.
Wow. So Mr. Aswin, with the same question, so did you ever feel insecure about yourself and wishing another miracle coming to you and change your life directly?
Yeah, actually, when I want to start anything like start study, start apply for job or anything, before that I always overthinking, like I don't I not I don't have anything. I just have a lot of weakness, and yeah, I actually disappointed to myself. But yeah, sometimes I wanna be like a superhero, have a power, have a miracle. But when I realized that I can do that, but I have a strong, like Bro Ihsan said, that sometimes we have a weakness, but sometimes we have a strength too. So how if we train our strengths to face this opportunity. So because of that, yeah, I see my strengths and train it to be better, and then I start anything. Yeah,
So focus on our strength.
yeah.
Do not focus to our weakness. Right. So, how to say? Yeah, we sometimes we feel regret in our life. We feel disappointed of ourselves, but do not stuck in that moment, right?
Yes.
We have to keep moving and find someone or some how to say some environment that
Relate.
yes that how to say related to our life and yeah giving impact the good impact to our life. Well, we will continue the conversation, smart listener, so don't go anywhere. You can also share your story that related to this song on our WhatsApp, or you can write down your comment on our comment section on YouTube channel Smart FM Makassar.